Well, very good morning to all of you. Thank you very much, Chairman, for always behind us, motivating and supporting us every initiative here. And we are so glad to have you here on the inaugural of the day 2 as well. Thank you very much, Sri R. Sivaprasad Reddy Garu, for your kind encouragement and motivation. And thanks to my director, Mr. Sheikh Samyuddin, and especially Mr. Daniel Judge, who has been eyes and ears for the last 10 days on this program. And yesterday, you witnessed a transformation of the TG-PackCON. I think many of you were there right from the inaugural session where the people spoke on the 3 pillars of economic growth, where we talked about the food and agri, the backbone of the Indian economy, and the pharma life sciences, which I am very well physically and mentally connected with the sector. Some people might be laughing at it. But the third sector, phenomenally, the tech sector. You have young tech CEOs sitting in the audience already, and they are going to give their deliberations as well. The tech, this morning when I called up, he's already landed, then he obliged our request to be there with the inaugural itself. Well, what should I say about Professor Redana Garu, actually the former Dean of Hyderabad Life Sciences, one of the very pioneers and mentor for so many academicians who have become entrepreneurs during this period of time. He's also one of the co-founder of BioAsia and currently executive director, holding the fort of Federation of Asian Biotech Associations. Today, it's making waves in the incubation, training, skill development, whatnot. And Dr. Kirish Kapoor actually is so important person. In fact, I asked him yesterday, why don't you join today? Because it is more important for the day. Focused on pharma and life sciences, Dr. Kirish Kapoor is the senior vice president, the India site operations, also the site head, and how critical it is the directions and compliance and manufacturing directives when you export to USA specifically. I think USP he is heading, and we are so fortunate to have him here. And Dr. A.P. Rameswara Garu was here. Unfortunately, he had to leave because of an urgency at his home. But my sincere request and to all of you to connect with him as well. He told he's always available for. He's recently elected as National President of Bulk Drug Manufacturers Association of India. And he was there as well. Mr. Venugopal Sankineni, what should I say? Actually, he foregone his big tickets. He's working for Sanofi, AstraZeneca, most importantly, Merck Healthcare, a master's in the New York Institute of Technology, and he came back from USA to serve the people of Telangana. And in the life sciences of Telangana, he's the vice president today, and he's looking after the medtech, medical devices, and other sectors as well. Thank you, sir, for honoring our request as well. And my dear friend, Dr. Ratnakar Palakodeti, what should I say, is a chemical man with the digital brains. So he was there as a head of global generics at Dr. Reddy's almost for 16 years, worked over there. And then he was heading the life sciences at Tech Mahindra, and later on moved on to Persistent. And currently he's the president at InnoMinds. Not only that, he's also spearheading as a CEO, General Secretary of Federation of Asian Biotech Association. So the one man I kept last because he's so important for us today, very dear friend and very connective to the industry, Dr. Vinay Kumar Gupta. He is Assistant Drug Controller, All India, Central Drug Standards Commission, CDSO. Give a round of applause for him, because today, I tell you what happened. Many of the people who are supposed to come in the morning itself, there is a new directive. At 9:45, we have to Acharan Vande Mataram in their respective places, the office places. So despite that, at 9:45, he did that with his colleagues, and immediately he rushed to this place. but his office is nearby. He's able to make it. All others, I think there are so many others joining. I'm getting umpteen messages from people. Will be joining at 11:30, 11 o'clock or something like that. But sure, actually we have so many people, dignitaries coming over in few minutes. The stage is bigger. I hope I have not forgotten anybody. And Mr. Samyuddin, of course, is there. Well, once again, I'll take few minutes, my dear friends, to apprise you what is on cards. Once again, good morning, distinguished guests and esteemed colleagues. What an incredible day today. It's truly an honor. In fact, as I told you yesterday, what we started as a small initiative during COVID days as a virtual initiative 5 years ago, and we have transformed this into a multi-sector event. It's not a packaging event, as I told you. And on the three pillars, innovate, accelerate, and elevate, we are talking about all the three pillars which I told you already. And today, over the years, the platform has grown far beyond a simple packaging form. It's evolved into a crucial, the strategic intersection, a place where science, technology, trade, and talent all meet and connect. And today's focus is pharma and life sciences. That's why we are here. And the future-ready economy, they couldn't be more relevant or urgent. So apart from the pharma and life sciences, we have a host of sessions that lead to international trade and collaborations. We have, I'm going to tell you about that. Reimagining our global role. India's journey in pharmaceutical and life sciences has been nothing short of spectacular, as per me. We have come a long way, my dear friends. We are not just the pharmacy of the world anymore. We are rapidly becoming the global innovation hub for affordable, high quality and healthcare solutions. Look at our progress from vaccine leadership and biosimilars to cutting edge gene therapies and AI driven. This is ruling today. Many of you in the audience are the captains of the digital technology, and we are going to embrace them also, know a lot from them also during the day. So the AI driven drug discovery, our success story shows what happens when science meets sheer determination. But here is a critical question, my dear friends. What defines the next decade? These are all questions you have to pose to ourselves. It's our collective ability to sustain this momentum responsibly. It means embedding compliance, building digital trust, and committing to environmental stewardship in every single layer of our operations. Do you agree? The power of innovation and collaboration, we are talking about under the banner of a TG-PackCON. Thanks to the Confederation of Indian Industries for giving me this excellent opportunity to host this summit. This year, we have brought together an exceptional dynamic mix. The policymakers, global diplomats, industry captains, technologists, researchers, and startups. What a combination. Do you agree? We are all here united for one clear belief. Innovation is no longer a choice. It's our collective responsibility. Our discussion today will directly shape how India positions itself in the global life sciences value chain, from achieving regulatory harmonization and pushing for quality excellence to the inevitable rise of smart factories and intelligent packaging systems as well. We are privileged to hear from the thought leaders today, very soon, representing multiple associations of Drug Manufacturing Association, Pharma, CDSO, USP, and all the key international partners, including the UK, Turkey, Australia, Netherlands, and Canada in the afternoon as well. Each one brings a unique and vital lens on trade, compliance, and future-forward innovation, my friends. Well, innovate, accelerate, and elevate. I'll take another 2 minutes. Our theme for TG-PackCON 2025 is Innovate, Accelerate, and Elevate. Perfectly captures the spirit of transformation we are witnessing across India. Well, innovate, because the boundaries between pharma, biotech, and packaging are dissolving, making room for smarter systems and sustainable design as well. Accelerate, because the speed of the change in healthcare delivery, AI-led research, and cross-border collaboration demands total agility. And then finally, elevate, because we must ensure every innovation translates into tangible impact for our patients. That's the ultimate goal. Our consumers and our planet also, responsibly. The new triad, science, strategy, and skill, today the backbone of this summit, is what defines a truly future-ready economy. And circularity and our future workforce, a future-ready economy cannot, however, be built on linear thinking. The fireside chat later today on pioneering circularity and sustainable design, featuring people from Procter & Gamble and Bayer Life Sciences, the dignitaries have come. They are going to enthrall us, featuring a powerful reminder of this fact as well. Sustainability is not just a department, it's a mindset. Our sectors, packaging and life sciences, are perfectly positioned to lead this massive shift through materials innovation and eco-design. And finally, the most critical pillar, the skill development. Today afternoon we are going to witness. The session focuses on innovation ecosystems, the future-ready talent, because no matter how advanced our technology is, it is the people, the scientists, engineers, data experts, and technicians who will ultimately define India's place on the global healthcare map. The collaboration between academia, industry, and the government agencies like TASC, IIP, Pharma, BDMA, FOP, and so many other organizations. Pharmaxil, in fact, he is joining in the afternoon, the Director General, and is already showing the seeds for the transformation. Let's continue to invest deeply in skill and mentorship, ensuring that innovation in India is not just by chance, but truly by design. The silent backbone of the trust, and I'll be doing an injustice if I'm not talking about packaging. While today's focus is broad, let's not forget our foundation of the packaging remains the silent backbone of quality, safety, and patient trust. Whether it is smart packaging, smart labeling, active moisture control technologies, or digital traceability systems, these are not just packaging trends, they are pharma enablers. As someone who has lived and worked in this intersection for the last 40 years, I can tell you with conviction, the future of health safety begins with the package. A refined global movement, my dear friends. The next decade is absolutely India's defining moment in life sciences and manufacturing. With the right blend of policy, innovation, and strong partnerships, we can lead not just in volume, but in value as well, and vision. Our aim must be singular: to become the most trusted source of affordable, high quality, and sustainable healthcare products for the world. TG-PackCON has always been about connecting the dots and creating clear direction. Today, as we bring together the best of science, policy, business, and youth, we are shaping more than just packaging or pharma. We are shaping the future of trust, transparency, and technology in human well-being. Let's use this platform to exchange bold ideas, challenges, challenging old assumptions, and build collaborations that last far beyond committees and conferences. Thank you very much. Let's innovate fearlessly, accelerate responsibly, and elevate globally. I wish everyone an incredible, engaging, and impactful day ahead. Thank you very much for listening to the initial remarks, my dear friends.